Hello students, in this class you are going to know about the very important topic precedence of operator and associativity. When you design the programs, so it is required to know how we are getting the result. For this we should know about the precedence of operators. Precedence is nothing, is very common word, is called the priority. Priority, you have one expression E is equal 10 plus 45 by 9 into 5 minus 9 plus 10 mod 6. Here you can see all kind of arithmetic operations are going to be performed. Question is which operation should perform first? So here we see first when we move from left to right, so you can see this is addition, this is division. When you compare both, so the higher priority is of division. When you move one step forward, so you can see multiplication. The priority of division and multiplication is same. Then subtraction, which is the lower priority operation. Then plus 10 mod 6. Mod is again the higher priority operation. So here you can see this is the expression which contains the operations of higher priority as well as lower priority. So how can we find out it? So here you should know one thing. When you have the operator of same precedence, then you have to follow the concept of associativity. Associativity means left to right or right to left. So here you can see the priority of division, multiplication and modulus, all they have the same priority, and addition, subtraction, again addition have the same priority. So finally question is कि how we will get the result of this expression. So now we see the steps, at last we will get the final result. Here equal, addition and division. So which operation should be first? Division operation, since the priority of division operator is higher than the plus. So here next step, 10 plus 9 5s are 45 into 5 minus 9 plus 10 mod 6. At a time we will perform only one operation. Okay, so here you can see 45 divided by 9 is evaluated. Now in this expression you can see addition, multiplication, subtraction, addition, mod. Here multiplication and mod both have the same precedence, same priority. So we go through the associativity. Associativity is left to right. So when we move to the from left to right, so we will get the first multiplication. So now expression becomes 10 plus 25 minus 9 plus 10 mod 6. Now the current statement or expression is this. Here addition, subtraction, addition, again modulus. Among all operations the higher priority is of modulus operator. So here you can see 10 plus 25 minus 9 plus now 10 mod 6. Mod operator gives remainder. So when we divide 10 by 6 we get the remainder 4. Now see, addition, subtraction, again addition, all they have the same priority. So we go through the associativity. So here you can see 10 plus 25, that is 35, minus 9 plus 4. Here minus and plus both have the same priority. So which operator we have first? Minus, that is subtraction. So here 26 plus 4 at last we get the final result 30. So this is the way by which we get the result. One variation we should also discuss here, and this thing you have already studied in mathematics in terms of BODMAS. Here we make a little bit of change in this expression. Here we put up the brackets. Now in this expression you can see the higher priority is of bracket. According to the BODMAS you have studied in earlier classes. So now how will we evaluate this? So here 10 plus 45 by 9 multiplied by 5 minus 19 mod 6. Since the higher priority is of bracket as compared to the division and mod operator. Now here we have only arithmetic operators. So same thing, the priority of division and mod is same. So we go through the associativity and first we get division. So here expression becomes 10 plus 5 multiplied by 5 minus 19 mod 6. Now 10 plus 5 into 5 25 minus 19 mod 6. Here you can see addition, subtraction, mod. The higher priority is of mod operator. So here 10 plus 25 minus, when you divide 19 by 6, so you get the remainder 1. Now 10 plus 25, 35 minus 1, and at last you get the result 34. So now you can see if we make any kind of changes in the expression, then we get the result is of different type. So now I would like to conclude this session. Thank you.